Hi guys, sorry I'm a little bit late today. I've been busy doing something silly with redacted, just having a bit of a laugh. Anyway, that's actually quite exhausting, really. When you're watching bullshit, it's quite exhausting. So yeah, don't go and watch it. It's I've just taken the mick out of Clayton Morris from Redacted, and an absolute clown who is on his show. Who when you wanna put a lie out there to confuse the masses, it's dreadful when they do that. But anyway, such is life. Today we're talking. What day are we on today? Is it the 21st? I have no idea. I think it might be. And if it is the 21st of December, well, it is today and it's late in the afternoon. And I'm sorry if I've come late and you've missed it. But anyway, better late than never. This is a travel kit. What do I love in way of crystals for traveling? I've always carried, most of the time, I carry malachite. And there's something about malachite that I love. It's just a very, very peaceful stone. If I'm traveling on a train, coach, if I'm in a car, if I'm on a long haul flight, it really is a really beautiful crystal. I love it. It feels so good. This is one of my favorites. So there you go. This is what you're going to get today. A beautiful malachite. The value of that malachite is normally around about 80 to 150. So we'll just choose one specially for you. So I'll probably go down on Monday and try and channel one for you. So there's that. Obviously, we have to have a beautiful oil that you will put on before you travel, which is sacred oil, which is a combination of beautiful sage mixed with beautiful Palo Santo, mixed with beautiful frankincense, mixed together, and a lot of pure energy healing. And it's gorgeous. One of the most strongest and powerful oils that I have. So that's the sacred oil. Then, of course, it has to be cleansing negative energy around your body so you're protected, and you have the brand new negative energy spray, which is Palo Santo, and it's very strong. It's very absolutely beautiful. Again, before you leave, you'd have to cleanse yourself down for 3 minutes with the sacred sticks. So just light one and let the smoke all around your body for about 3 minutes, and then you're all good to go. So off on your travels. You've got your crystal around your neck. You've got your spray, you can use at any time. And the oil, well, you only need to use once, and through that day you'll be fine. Where would you use the oil? I'd probably use it on my temples if I'm traveling, just to feel at ease. I'll probably put some at the back of my neck, and probably at the back, round about lower back here, and a little bit on the belly button. That always works. And some deep breaths is always lovely. And then through the trip, you would just a couple of sprays, 3 sprays every now and again. That's it. So I'll put all them together at a really good price, including free DHL. I'll put 4 kits available. So I hope you're one of the 4 beautiful people today. Enjoy my travel kit. I think it's a beauty. Have a great day.